Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Nav Prime, formerly known as just Nav. A lot of you guys might have signed up for it in the past. It reports to all the business credit bureaus as a trade line, Nav Business Boost they had. Today, we're going to be going over that, and I'm going to kind of explain what Nav Prime is versus just the regular Nav that was before. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we do, please hit the subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure all notifications are turned on. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel get out to a wider audience. All right, so this is just kind of a demo here. It says, welcome, let's explore the Nav Prime experience. So for those that don't know really what Nav originally did and what it was before the Nav Business Boost, if you're trying to build up your business credit profile, then you need to get the trade lines. So like net 30 accounts, vendor accounts, business credit card accounts, anything like that. And Nav Business Boost, they had a product, which they still have it, but Nav Business Boost reports to all the business credit bureaus as a trade line. So it kind of helps you build up your business credit with Experian, Experian Business Credit, Equifax, and Dun and Bradstreet. So that's pretty much what Nav Business Boost was. Now they have the Nav Prime card, and it was on a waiting list. It's not now. And that's going to help you get a second trade line. So it's effectively giving you two different trade lines, and it's reported every month to all the business credit bureaus. So when you sign up an account, stay tuned until the end because I have a discount code that nobody else has that you don't want to miss this, all right? But basically, you're going to get two for the price of one, essentially. So let's go over the little features real quick with the Nav Prime. So as you can see here, it's purple instead of blue like it was before. You can see here at the top, it says business credit rating. And you can see that this demo, it's going to show your Paydex score with Dun and Bradstreet, your Experian Intel score, and your Equifax score, and your FICO Small Business Scoring Service score, as well as your Vantage 3.0 personal scores. All right. You're going to get that all in one dashboard. So you definitely want to take advantage of this. Even if you're already established or you're a new business, you definitely should get that if you don't already have it. Definitely get it, okay? It's not that much either, really, per month. So you're going to get your scores. That's a part of the benefits with it. Because if you just get the free version, it's just only going to give you A, B, and C, D grade. So definitely get this. It's not going to be reported, too, if you just get the free version. So here's the benefits. You're going to get the Nav Prime Card. The Nav Prime Card, let's jump over to their website real quick. So build your business credit to get better financing. So they have the Nav Prime Card. It's no security deposit and no credit check. Basically, what it's basing everything off of is you connect to your bank with a third-party service like Plaid, I believe it is. And a lot of these fintechs, they're going to give you a credit limit based on what your average daily balance is. So it's with the Nav Prime card, you have to pay back every single day. I know it's not that great, but who knows, it could change in the future. So it's going to show you what you have available. And, Ramp is kind of like this as well. They update based on what your balance is and stuff in your checking account, your business checking account. So as it says here, daily auto pay to avoid carrying a high credit balance. So it's basically a net one, but that's going to be reported to the business credit bureaus every month. It says a second monthly trade line to maximize your business credit, business credit building. All right. The price is $49.99 per month. You get 3 business credit reports and 2 personal credit reports all in one place. You get 2 trade lines reporting to the business credit bureaus. And they also offer a Nav Business checking account. Now, the Nav Business checking account is actually provided by Blue Ridge Bank and Thread Bank, right? But it is insured by member FDIC, so you don't have to worry about that. Up to $250,000. So if you already have a business checking account, it's okay. Get this one. It's a second backup one, but it's not required to have this to get the second or to get the Nav business checking account. You can just get the reporting every month for the two trade lines. So I'll have the link in the description below. And let's jump over to here. So use my link that will be in the description below or over here somewhere here. Use my link and then use my coupon code. Nav does not ever offer anybody discounts, but they have exclusive discount that's just for GBC viewers. So when you sign up, you can do monthly or quarterly. I would say it's going to be better to do the quarterly. You're going to get the biggest discount. But as you can see here, using the code, see it's $49.99 per month. GBC 50, it's going to get it $25 off. So, you know, I can't really beat that. If you pay quarterly, you're going to get $75 off. So it's not reoccurring. So if you just do the monthly one time, you're only going to get that $25 off the first month of signing up. But for $50 more, you're going to get 3 months and going to save you about $75. Right. So you definitely want to try to take advantage of that. But you may have to use the link for the discount to apply and everything. Use the link and the code in the description. And let's just bounce over here real quick. So within the Nav Prime account, you're going to be able to explore financing options that you might qualify for. Let's see here. These are the financing options. So here's the financing options. One of them that they work with is say on deck. And then you can actually compare. Here's another one showing side by side comparison. And you don't have to go through them for financing, but it's just there. So you can see, you can compare the option payment terms, all that. And then they also have a list of cards you might be able to apply for based on your needs. That's pretty much it. Okay. I don't want to waste your time on going over every little detail, but definitely want to sign up for this because it will help you build up your business credit. It doesn't matter, again, if you're established or not established. If you don't already have the Nav Business Boost and Nav Prime, get the Nav Prime because it's the 2-in-1. Okay. Until next time, you guys take care. Again, the link will be in the description below. Take care. Bye-bye.